morning. What's going on, Kev?
Alright, heading down to Key West, April 2nd, 2022. We're right at 6 knots with 12.0 on the true wind speed.
Full sails, no motor.
That Hunter's ass.
Yeah, we've been
That's a
cruising along.
46-foot Hunter. This is a 46-foot Venetola. We're on the same heading. Oh, hey, 6.5. And the wind speeds only went up to 12.2. So we got the sails going good, Cal.
So you got it dialed in, you got autopilot on, and just
No autopilot. This
just
is all
tweaking
me.
it, huh?
This is all me.
Nice, man. There's the girls. They're sitting out here on bean bags, enjoying the sail.
I went 2 more degrees to starboard. We're at 6.3.
All right.
We're just a shove over 50%
All right.
of true wind speed.
Signing off.